Uyayibuka lento sengingayisisina kumina.
Yini?
Le ngaphansi kwebhoda.
Yes, hayi ngalanga ngoba izongcolisa. Azisho. Isandla siyashesha makoti sithi. Yabona uma mrabha iqolo. Wenza ngathi mrabha iqolo. Qinisa. Ayisiyanqinisa. Njengoba mrabha iqolo. Isandla siyaqina.
Phela insimbi le iqola lilona insimbi.
Hayi qinisa girl.
Anyway, guys, it seems like Osamke, she's the only one who's enjoying the social media after the last night episode of Uthandanes Temple season 9. She's been posting non-stop ever since yesterday, guys. You know, people, when this season started, season 9, we were feeling sorry for Samke, guys. We were saying, Samke, you need to walk away. There's no need for you to be here, guys. The way Utobile was dragging Samke, guys, you know, calling her Uguti Akasebe. There's nothing that she's contributing, and people were like, Coco Melon, leave this marriage. It's not worth it. Almost like he doesn't love you, guys. So, guys, Osamke Msaleko send a message to her haters and fans saying she's not going anywhere. Uyohlala nomfana. After yesterday's episode, Uthandanes Temple season 9 episode 21, we all know that Umatele exposed his family secret. Ukuthi Tobile had a baby before she got married to Msaleko. So, Osamke went on to say to post a song lapha on Instagram, name of the song Poloma Wenzengani, because it was recently exposed that Tobile Msaleko's alleged baby daddy's name is Thambi Ngcobo, guys. So people, when they saw Samke posting that song, they were now saying she's trying to drag Utobile, guys. Isolezo reported that 7 years ago, Utobile Msaleko brought a woman to Mzumbe to become her surrogate. Unfortunately, Umangwabe and Mayeni felt disrespected that she brought a woman for Musa. And also, where is the Thambi Ngcobo, who it is alleged to be Tobile's baby dad? So right now everything is confusing, guys. What is going on? Umatele Kipis Gaga, right now she's not saying anything. In a direct section, when they ask her where is the baby Makele, she's not responding. She say Samsaleko and Tobile, they will respond. I hope last night it was not the end of the season 9, guys, because we still want to find out, because I saw that Ulondi London, she's coming tonight on Thursday. Maybe Uthandanes Temple will only be playing Wednesday 8 o'clock. We don't know, guys. It seems like Osamke, guys, she's happy what is going on. She's busy posting. Can see even the first video she posted, Umatele giving her advice like a mother-in-law. People have been saying with Vele Umatele, she's using Samke so the other wives, they can get angry, guys. But it seems like right now people are standing with him, Matele, guys. Umangwabe and Mai, they have no right to blame Umatele, guys, what is happening in Mzumbe. They should have blamed Utobile, call out Utobile, because what you did, it was wrong. But right now they are angry with Matele, saying Matele should at least to talk to Tobile. What do you mean? You guys are staying in Mzumbe. You once told Umatele to stay away in Dabinisa Mzumbe. So guys, there's a lot of thing that is going on right now, guys. We don't know what is right. People are saying it was alleged in Ghana Yagaba Msaleko, just that it was not a good thing to say, because when Tobile she met Msaleko, she was very young. I think Msaleko, she was in her early 30s, and Tobile, she was 16 years old. We are not sure, guys. And some are saying to Tobile, but we in Ghana band. But then it doesn't make sense. Tobile, she's very educated, guys. You know, people want to find out what happened. Did you start at grade 10? You were staying with Msaleko took you to school, he gave you a job. What happened? They want a story Saka Tobile from 16 years old to 28, because when we met Tobile on the season 1, I think she was 28. I'm not sure, guys. So guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself.